to the opposite field. Perez has a very, very good arm, and there could be a play at the plate.
So with 2 on, 2 out, Luis Sojo will bat. Al Leiter with a season-high 141 pitches on the night. And Leiter's night continues. With Franco in the bullpen, the Mets stick with Leiter. Will score, and the Yankees lead 4-2.
It all started so innocently with the 2-out walk, the 2-out hit by Brocious, the 2-out hit by Sojo. Payton charging. The throw hits the runner. Brocious scores easily. The ball hitting the runner, it's 2 from the field, meaning 2 bases if the ball goes in the dugout, thrown by a fielder. As you can see, Brocious easily between second and third, so he scores after Posada. The throw was on line, but Piazza trying to block the plate. The ball hits Posada, and the Mets score not 1 but 2.
Bench as they take their second lead of the night.